Start.
Hello all, welcome back to Ma Gurukul. This is Shweta and I'm back with another video. Before I start with this new video, I want to thank you all for having 2K views for one of my videos that was on whether to teach lowercase or uppercase for children. That is whether to start teaching capital letters or small letters for children. So thank you all for giving me so much love. I will be even more happy if all those views get converted to my subscribers. So before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please to click on the subscription button and the bell icon button for more notifications. So today's video, as I've told you, it's about cursive writing. Now when I'm talking about or when I'm telling you about cursive writing, I want you people to wait and listen to all the aspects of about cursive writing till the end of the video and then come to a conclusion. Please don't see a part of my video and then come to a conclusion. Look at the complete video and then come to a conclusion about whether it is good or bad for teaching your child. Alright? So cursive writing, what age should I teach? Is it really necessary? Or is it good or is it bad? All these questions are answered in this video. So let's get started. Yes. Before I start the entire topic or getting deep into the topic, I want to share an amazing fact, an interesting fact to you. Finland is one of the first countries that has banned compulsory teaching of cursive writing. I'm repeating it. It's not banned completely, but compulsorily teaching cursive writing. It has asked the education board to stop that. So Finland is the first country, one of the first countries to stop compulsory cursive writing. Right? So that's an interesting fact for us. Now, what age should cursive writing be taught? Cursive writing should be taught to children when they are 6+ years, or according to Google it is 7 to 8 years, right? So 6+, right? 7 to 8 years. When your child reaches 7 to 8 years, he or she is supposed to learn or start cursive writing. But we as parents and as educators are so very hyped up with a lot of things. Even the well-known branded preschools, well-known schools which are in each state start cursive writing when the child is in LKG. I have seen it myself, even in Guwahati or in Bangalore or in Chennai, even in Andhra I have seen it. Alright, so now is it right or wrong? For that conclusion, here is my answer. You as a parent will insist or will teach your child cursive writing when his or her fine motor skills. Fine motor skills is when using these. I told you in one of my previous videos about writing, the children will need to have a good tripod grip. Tripod meaning using these 3 fingers they need to write, right? So when I'm moving my pencil in this motion or in writing, the tiny bones and the muscles, that is these bones, right, these finger bones, these tiny finger bones and the muscles which will help me move this need to be well developed. That meaning, if you know that your child has an excellent fine motor skill, he or she is able to open or close a cloth clip, or he or she is able to use scissors, he or she is able to pick up small tiny bits and trying to pick it up and put it in a place, you know that, or he or she is able to catch a ball which is coming to them, because ball, even they need to use the fine motor skills, okay? And hand and eye coordination, that meaning they are able to look at a particular thing and exactly throw there, or they are able to look and then correctly try to place it, so that hand and eye are matching each other. They have a good coordination, their fine motor skills is good. Then only you as a parent will start teaching them curves, right? We don't teach cursive writing directly to them, but we start with tracing. or teaching them the pre-writing skills, the curves. So the curve which is required for cursive writing, for continuous motion, right? So you start with that and then move ahead. Irrespective of the age of the child, you as a parent will always look at the development of the child and then take a call. Now, when it comes to school, it is highly impossible that when a child, say a UKG class, the teacher cannot divide the class and tell, okay, you people are yet to improve your fine motor skills, so I am not going to teach you cursive writing, and you are good in cursive writing, you have improved your fine motor skills, or your fine motor skills are good, so I will teach you cursive writing. A teacher in a school can never do that. Now, if that happens, then you know what's going to happen. You will have majority of the parents going and telling the teacher is partial, she is teaching them more, she is teaching my child less, and how can she tell my child is much smarter than that, and all this happens, right? So since now we are under lockdown where online classes are happening, so you as a parent take a call and tell your teacher, if you have assessed your child, and tell, ma'am, please give my child 3 months time. I am working on his or her fine motor skills and hand and eye coordination, and after which I would like to introduce cursive writing for my child. Fine? So this is with it. But the actual prescribed age for introducing cursive writing is 7 to 8 years. That is, only when they come to class 1, they should be writing cursive handwriting. Before that, they should be knowing only the basic strokes and the alphabets. Maximum the alphabets and the strokes. Only this should be taught to them. Not a complete question and answer of writing cursive writing. No, it's not prescribed. Only class 1 they start to join the cursive handwritings to make words and sentences. Right? Now, yes, what is the process or what is the method or how do I teach cursive writing? So for parents who are yet to join your children into preschools, this is my answer. First, check on their fine motor skills, check on their hand and eye coordination, and then come to a conclusion that yes, your child is ready. And once your child is ready, you will start first with tracing. That meaning allowing the children to move on dotted lines. So tracing. And pre-writing skills, that means you will teach the curves first and then the lower case, that means the small letters followed by capital letters. And then you will move from teaching them in a larger space, meaning say a four lines drawn, but the gap will be more, and then slowly start reducing the gap. So 4 lines, reduce it, come to 2 lines, come to a single line, and then an unruled sheet or a white sheet. So this is how their process needs to move. Yes, check on your child's speed. To improve your child's speed or to help him or her improve, then you give them or you dictate them slowly. Like you tell W-H-A-T, what, right? So W-H-A-T, what the child writes it. And then slowly start telling what is the. So that means you have given 2 words or 3 words together. The child will know how to write what by himself or herself when he or she is in class 2 or class 3, and then slowly start dictating the answers to them. This does not happen overnight. It is a slow process which starts in the mid-session of UKG. That is, you teach the curves and the alphabets in mid-session of UKG. When they go to class 1, then you teach them 2-letter, 3-letter joining of cursive handwriting, and 1 or 2 months into class 1 you teach 2 letters or 3 letters of joint handwriting or joining the cursive letters, and after which slowly start writing 4 or 5 joint cursive handwriting in class 1 itself. Once that you know that you are able to teach 3 letters and 4 letters of joining the letters, then you know he or she is able to write question and answers, right? So slowly move step by step. And then yes, while you are doing all this process, that means especially when you have started introducing tracing, alright, so you can give them tactile learning materials which is easily available in your house. That means you will put a rectangular, you will choose a rectangular tray in your house, fill it with sand, If you are there somewhere near the seashore, then you fill it with sand, which is sieved properly. Make sure there are no sharp objects in it, and then ask them to trace it on the sand. If sand is not available, then the best one is to use rava, that is suji, or rava or suji. So you put it onto the tray and the child tries to write the curves on it. That is tactile learning, meaning activating their sense organ, that is the skin, and hence helping them learn, right? So tactile learning or tracing. If you have sandpaper, that means if you are painting, if there is some painting work happening in your house, there will definitely be sandpaper used there. So the leftover sandpaper, you can just give it on to them. But if the child is using a sandpaper, never allow the rough skin or the dry skin directly to go onto the sandpaper. It needs to be dipped in water and then use the finger for tracing. Why? Because the sandpaper will be quite rough. Children's skin is quite delicate. It might tear off or they might have cuts. That's the reason you dip the child's finger in water, not the entire hand, only the finger which he or she is using for tracing. Dip it in water and ask the child to trace the curves or the cursive alphabets. Yes. So now you know, as of now or till now in my video, you know what age or when to teach your child cursive handwriting and how to teach your child cursive handwriting. So these two I have answered. Now let's look at what is the positive and what is the negative of cursive writing. Let's look at the positive first, the pros. So the pros or the positives of teaching cursive handwriting is they will be able to write faster. They will be able to represent the neat handwriting in their 10th standard or their 12th standard or any of their annual or midterm papers or answer sheets, because in India, you know, and of course everywhere, all over the world, at the end of it, we depend on what the child represents on the paper and hence correction and hence marks. So for them to complete their answer sheets faster, it helps them in that motion, right? Then yes, there is also any writing, it's not only with cursive writing, any writing, whether it is capital letters or uppercase, lowercase or small letters or cursive writing, all of them improve hand and eye coordination and also the brain development of the child. The brain development of the child is much better in writing than on keyboards or on typing. So handwriting is always preferable than teaching them how to type on the keyboards. But definitely they are the 21st century children and everything going online. They will also need to learn how to use their mobiles or how to use their keyboard, right? So we as parents and educators need to balance this equally. Teach them the computer skills, teach them the writing skills too. Both of them is or need to be balanced. Next, what are the cons or what are the negatives of cursive writing? Now, certain children, although might have learned cursive writing, but their strokes might not be very clear. Like, for example, say, let me think of a word where, yes, wean, that is W-E-E-N. Now, if a child has to write W-E-E-N, W and the E and N, not the N, especially the W, E and E, they will look almost like similar if their strokes are not right. And hence, the examiner, the teacher or a parent or anybody who's been reading into what the child has written might get confused on what the child is actually written. So that is one negative. If they don't learn the strokes properly, then their handwriting will not be legible or they will be illegibly writing these. So that is one negative. Second one, any application form which the child needs to fill or even we as parents need to fill, or any storybook with the child reads, all the textbooks, all the question papers, all of their textbooks, all of their question papers are always reading online, everything is in block letters, but they are writing in cursive writing. So that is what confuses me always. But yes, if the child starts writing in block letters, the entire answer sheet, he will definitely need more time, because every time the child needs to lift up the pen and write the other alphabet, and hence joining the alphabets and writing is always preferred to increase the speed. So this is the answer for me to all of you. Right? Teaching cursive writing for children is necessary, but at what age? What age you need to teach is when your child is with his good development of fine motor skills, hand and eye coordination, pencil grip, and has a good movement of writing or good flow in writing the alphabets. Right? That is when you need to teach cursive writing for your child. Schools or preschools and even branded schools which is running CBSE or ICSE schools start teaching their children cursive writing from LKG. Now that is what is not at all recommended. Now this is not my words. There is a website called as the ECA, that is Early Childhood Association. They are an NGO which has been trying to create awareness about all these misconceptions of teaching children in the wrong method, or trying to teach the children too very fast and trying to tell children from my preschool about admissions in class 1, and then you have a huge banner, and then hence you have more children getting admitted into that particular preschool next year. Because we, our parents, are also always eager to teach our children too very fast. We want our children to be fast. The children themselves are very intelligent these days, are born intelligent, but we as parents are also always pressing that panic button and telling fast, fast, fast. So we need to slow down and give them or teach them the writing in their correct age. Now why the correct age is because when somebody tells you that cursive writing should be start writing compulsorily in their classworks, homeworks or wherever only from class 1 and not below that, never below that, and never below that, is because majority of the children in that particular age would have definitely developed their fine motor skills and their hand and eye coordination. That is the reason that somebody is prescribing you the particular age. So this is it. With age, I have answered your questions. With when to teach, how to teach, I have answered that. Is it really necessary for you to teach? That also has been answered. Is it really necessary? Yes, it is necessary, so that they will be able to write faster and try to complete their classwork, their homeworks, and hence their answer papers. And how to tell you something, something which I have really put a bold one and very interesting one. I was just trying to Google search and see if the CBSE board, the ICSE or the IGCSE board or any of the state boards are recommending. I mean, like say for example, if any of the boards are telling that compulsorily every child sitting in this particular board needs to write cursive writing in their board exam papers. No, that meaning no board in India or Indian education system recommends your child or tells your child that the child needs to write this entire answer sheet in cursive letter only. No, they don't tell that. All they tell is the writing needs to be legible. Legible meaning readable. Now so another interesting fact I would like to share from my personal life is my husband, who did his schooling, that is till class 12, in a vernacular medium school in Assam. That is, he did it in a government school and never learned cursive writing. In fact, what surprises me is he tells me that English was introduced to him in his vernacular medium school only in class 5. Imagine, that means I was really shocked. I was really surprised. Class 5, he started learning English. He has never learned cursive writing at all, and still, without all this, or with all this, he is there in a reputed place or he's there in a reputed government service, and his classmates, one of them is in IIT too, and one is in Germany working as a researcher. So this surprises me. right? So it is we as parents who create this entire dilemma that, oh, my child studies in an international school and he likes to turn. That's how we want the children to talk, right? With good accent of English and all that. That's the thing. So two interesting facts. One is no board in India or Indian education system tells that every child sitting in the class 10 or class 12 board needs to write their answer sheets in cursive writing. No board tells that. All they say is the writing needs to be legible. Second interesting fact is Finland is one of the first countries to stop compulsory teaching of cursive writing. So these two interesting facts is what I got when I Google searched. Another interesting fact is, surprising fact, not an interesting fact, very very surprising fact is cursive writing is prescribed at the age of 7 to 8, whereas few of the preschools, few of the schools start teaching the children at the age of 4 years, exactly half of their age. Please don't stress the children more on writing when they are 4 years old. 4 years old children need to be able to learn to read better, because reading comes first than writing. Need to explore and try to be good in life skills. Need to be self-reliant, meaning he or she should be able to talk or express and be able to do his or her own things properly. Need to wear his shoe properly, need to wear his socks properly, need to be responsible enough to put his pencil, eraser, sharpener, books, etc., water bottle exactly in place. We are not ready to teach all this. All we are ready to teach is the city's name, the country's name, and state's name and their capitals, and then want a certificate of coding probably these days. 4-year, 5-year children, people promoting they'll learn coding. Please stop it. Please think about it. Okay, I don't want to tell stop it, because that's your opinion too. All I would say is, please think before you lead. Alright, so think, do a 4-year child need to learn coding or writing, cursive writing, or should he or 4-year child should know to be self-reliant, should be independent, or know to read, because reading comes first than writing. I always stress this, right? So conclusion is, cursive writing is necessary for our children. At what age? When the child is in class 1, it is necessary. From class 1 it is very very necessary, so that they will be able to write faster and complete their classworks and homeworks. Yes, and you as a parent will take a call to teach cursive writing once you analyze your child's fine motor skill development and hand and eye coordination. So this is all from me. So this is signing off, Shweta from Maa Gurukul. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the subscribe button there. Thank you and bye bye.